So I got a situation this morning, fellas. Look, I got loaded last night. I left the shit there, and I could hear air leak in the dashboard. I got outside. This brake chamber decided to disassemble itself inside. I don't think you can see it, but I couldn't even cage it. It's all destroyed inside, and I had to disconnect the air hose, release the brakes here on the slack adjuster, and now I have to change it. I got a spare one with me, but I don't like it. Let's do it. First I'm gonna try to see if I can release these two bolts on the back. If I got them loose, I'm gonna disconnect the rest. Okay, I got them loose easy, so I'm gonna disconnect the what's called clevis. I don't even know how to pronounce this. I'm gonna cut the zip ties from the ABS. Get this fitting loose when the chamber is still sitting here, because then it's gonna be impossible. I don't have vice here. Okay, I got everything disconnected, fellas, except this pin right here and these two big bolts. So I'm gonna take care of it right now. I got this bad boy out. Now I'm gonna have fun time trying to remove this part, because this is moving, this is spinning, and I don't have a spare. Fellas, I got it. Check this out. Beautiful. Well, I got the new one. Somehow I'm gonna have to cut this rod the same length right here. And luckily my chamber is in the same position. If you can see the ports, yeah, I'm not gonna be maybe a little bit I don't know, I hope not. I almost took my grinder with me this time, and look what I'm using right now to cut this thing. Jeez. Oh, I'm almost halfway there. Having the grinder here right now, it will be perfect. 1 second. Why I didn't take it? This reminds me of fixing my bike back in 90s. Whew, old school. I think now we are halfway. Slowly getting there, guys. And this heat. Got this biatch. The last few millimeters was the worst, but I got it. Okay. Let's put the Senor Clevis back on. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Two and a half stroke. Okay, now I'm gonna change the fittings. One is on. Just a little bit of Teflon tape, because this rubber coating is old, so. Okay, got them both in. Mr. Chamber is almost back in the house. And don't buy gloves from Temu. And almost, guys, I'm gonna have to lose the chamber and move this part, because my hoses won't fit. I was hoping I'm not gonna have to do that, because it looked like it was in the same position almost, but no, I have to. All right, guys, I got the chamber loose. You gotta be very careful with this if you decide to do it, because If you loosen too much, this whole thing's gonna explode. Okay, I got it in a perfect position right now. Just like that, guys. These two bolts are tight. Now the hoses, the back slack adjuster, and I'm gonna have to adjust the brakes. Look, fellas, gorgeous brakes chamber. Pins in. I'm gonna have to put this on the back of the pins, of course, both of them. And I'm done here. Just adjust the brakes, and that's it, fellas. 30 minutes, well, maybe more, because I had to cut this rod by hand, so let's say 45 minutes. I know it's a long time, but I'm in the middle of nowhere. Oh, but I forgot to show you, boys, what I got for brake adjustment. Already dirty because it was there. Okay, guys, brakes adjusted. I'm ready to roll. Adios.